In this video, I'll show you how to fix Battlefield 6 not launching or opening. First, open the EA app or Steam/Epic if that's where you installed it. Select Battlefield 6, click on Manage and choose Repair. Wait for the repair process to complete. This will fix any missing or corrupted files. Next, go back to Manage ArrowView Properties and open the game folder. Find the Battlefield 6 executable file, right-click it, and select Properties. In the Compatibility tab, check the following three options. Run this program in compatibility mode. Disable full screen optimizations. Run this program as administrator, click Apply, then OK to save your changes. Finally, open graphics settings on your PC, find Battlefield 6, and set its GPU preference to high performance. That's it. This should get Battlefield 6 running smoothly again. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.